Hi and welcome to my channel. My name's Emily, the Petite Beauty Blogger, and in today's video I'll be doing my birthday makeup. Okay everyone, so it is actually my birthday. I am now 25 and that is, I feel very salty about that because why do we have to age? I mean, I will always look like a baby, so, but yeah, I don't really enjoy birthdays. They are not my thing, but if I can do makeup and have fun with it, why not? So this is going to be my glam birthday look if I was going out. We're still in lockdown, so that's not going to happen, but it's just going to be a glam look with lots of sparkle, because if you can't wear sparkle on your birthday, then when are you going to? So let's get started. So I'm going to start off with priming my face, and I'm literally just going to use my moisturiser because at the moment that is my favourite primer to use because my skin is pretty dry and it's my favourite. It's from Bare Minerals and I love it. Okay, now because this look is going to be super glam, I am now going to contour. I have shown people how to do this before. I have a video on it, check that out. It's just I do my contouring before my foundation, and I use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Pro Light Contour Cream Kit, and I take my masked contour brush. It's like a fat kind of dense brush, and I like to usually go in with that one in the middle, and I learnt this from Scott Barnes. But truly do check out my contouring video because it's really useful if you're scared about contouring. But even if you're not scared about contouring, then it's really good just to learn some new techniques. So what I like about doing this is that you can really sculpt where you want the contour to go, and this is going to give us like a natural contour when we go to put the foundation on, which is why I like this so much. So it doesn't feel too crazy, but with this technique you can either do it really glam and glowy, or you can do it natural like it's your natural contour, but we are going for glam and glowy today. What I like to do is I do like to go up slightly because I have a round face. I feel like it shapes it better, and then I curve it round my little cheekbone there, and that is going to give me cheekbones when I blend it out. So that's what I love about contouring like this. You can really change your face shape. I always do underneath the lip, and it just naturally makes my lip look a lot plumper, as you can already tell. And I know this looks crazy but I'm telling you, it works. Whatever Scott Barnes does, he's incredible. I could never get even close to being as good as him. He is like the makeup god. If you don't know who he is, he does a lot of celebrities' makeup, but he is very well known for doing J-Lo's makeup, and of course J-Lo's makeup is insane, untouchable. See, look, I know this looks insane, but we are going to blend it out. You can either use a blending sponge, or you can use this. I sometimes like to do a bit of both. I like to do this first because you've got still some pigment on there. You can kind of work it out, and then once I've kind of gotten that shape, I go in with my sponge just to blend it out. Okay, I am looking super glowy, super tan. I need that tan after spending a year inside. And I'm trying so hard not to get it on this new pristine white shirt. My anxiety is through the roof right now. Got my hair here to protect me. Okay, now I've blended it out as much as I would like. I am now going to go in with foundation, And the foundation I'm going to be using today is of course my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in 145, and I'm going to use my Revolution Pro stippling brush. I use this all the time, and this is particularly good when you are doing this contour look. Moving on now to concealer, I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in C3. I use this all the time. It's creamy, it's thick, and it just does the job. Perfect. I'm going to leave that for about 10-20 seconds just to thicken up a bit, because that is going to give us more coverage. Perfect, so now I've completed that. Quickly, before it creases or does anything, I am going to set it. So for setting powder, I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution Banana Powder in Light. It has rubbed off, but this is one of my favourite powders. It cost me £5 and it's rubbed off so much I can't tell you how much was in there, but there is a lot in there, and for £5 that is bargain, and it really smooths out the skin, doesn't leave a texture, and it's really good. And they come in loads of different shades, so every skin tone is covered. Okay, so I'm going to leave that to bake, and whilst that's baking I am going to quickly do my brows. I always like doing that because it just makes sense, it saves time. So for my brows today, I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Medium Brown. Perfect. Now I have completed my brows, I am going to remove that powder. Okay, now I've removed my powder. Even though I did contour underneath my makeup, like my foundation, I am going to contour again just because I want it nice and, I want it a bit deeper and a bit more glowy. So for that, I'm going to use my Bare Minerals Get the Pretty Started, and I'm going to use this Spectrum A04 brush to apply it. Because it's more of a thinner brush, you can be more detailed with your contour, which is what I love. Okay, so whilst my nose kind of sets and does what it needs to do, I am going to go in with blush, and I didn't want a pinky blush today. I wanted it to be kind of glowy and tan, so I'm going in with the shade Bang Bang right there, which is more of like a peachy blush, and this is in the Carity palette, their blush and bronze palette. It's one of my favourites, and I'm applying it using the Spectrum A04 brush. I'm not going to do much because I'm not the biggest fan of blush, just a tiny bit on the apples of my cheeks. So literally that's all I want to do. Just going to add a bit of colour to my face. Okay, so I have done my blush, and I've kind of left that to sit for a couple of seconds, for like a minute or two, and now I'm going to remove it. I am actually going to go for a nude look today, but because my birthstone is aquamarine, I dye, it's one of my favourites, I am going to be adding a tiny bit of aquamarine into the look for that bit of pop of colour. I've got it on my nails today because I've aquamarine for my birthday. I think I do it like every single year. Predictable, maybe, but it works with a little hollow glitter from Hollow Taco from Simply Nailogical. I absolutely love her. So yeah, we're going to do a nude look with a pop of aquamarine. So I'm going to start off with this palette. It's my Too Faced Chocolate Gold, and I'm literally going to go in with that shade there called Rollin' in Dough. And that's going to go all over my lid, and I'm going to be using the Morphe M502 brush because it's just a really giant blending brush. The next shade I'm going in with is that kind of light beige colour called So Bougie, and that is going to be my transitional. The next shade I'm going in with is that shade Cocoa Truffle, which is kind of a dark brown, and that is going to kind of be the deep shade on the outer edge going in. Okay, so for the blue, I'm going in with my Beauty Bay EYN Brights palette, and I am going in with the shade Paradise, which is that shade right there. I'm going to take my Morphe M135. And for sparkle today, I'm going in with my MAC Dazzle Shadow Liquid in Flash and Dash, and I'm going to move in even closer just to show you the power of the sparkles. And I'm literally just going to be applying it right here. I'm not even going to cut out my crease. I want this to be more of a soft, glam look. And the great things about these sparkles is they actually dry pretty hard. They don't move around, and they are just perfect for a bit of extra sparkle. And then of course do a tiny bit right in a corner right here. Perfect. So what I'm going to do, go off camera, do the other eye, and I'll be back. Okay, so I've completed the other eye, and I am loving it. That pop of blue is perfect, especially with the nude brown. And what I'm going to do now is apply a lash. I don't want to add any liner because I don't want any black going into this look, because I want it to be more of a fresh glam. So I really don't want any black. And yeah, I'm just going to apply some lashes. Okay, so my eyes are completed. I am in love with them. So I'm now going to very quickly move on to highlighter. Makeup Revolution Ice, you know the drill. And it's of course the middle champagne colour. It's my favourite. I mean, come on. And this thing cost me like £6. Okay, and second to last step is my lips, and I'm going to keep it nude just because I want the blue to pop. So for lip liner, I'm going in with the NYX, the MYX, however you pronounce it, matte lip liner in the shade Sandstorm. And then for the centre, I'm going in with Makeup Revolution lipstick in the shade The One. Last but not least, my last makeup step is of course setting spray, and I'm going in with my NYX Dewy Finish. And there you have it. There is my completed birthday look. I am obsessed. I love the little pop of blue. It makes the look completely. I love kind of like the glowiness, but still kind of dewiness and kind of naturalness of it all. Very beachy. I've got a very beachy vibe today, I feel. I do live near the beach, so it makes sense. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I am always so grateful for you for watching. I have loads of other videos that you can watch that all range in different skill levels, and also there's some fun challenges. There's some fun reviews, some looks, just something for everyone. So please do check that out. Please subscribe, please hit the notification bell so you are notified of when my videos come out. That would be brilliant. Give this video a thumbs up, that would really help with the struggle. You can also follow me on my Instagram page at Petite Beauty Blogger, like my pro Facebook page, facebook.com/MUA by Emily. I am a pro makeup artist. At the moment I can't work, but hopefully after April 14th I should be okay, as long as Bojo doesn't change it, because we all know he probably will, let's be honest. And yeah, you can also like my Twitter. I also have a pro Facebook, I also have a pro website. Check that down below. It's got my price list, my portfolio. It also has a blog on it that I did quite a while ago. There's some good tips and tricks on there. And obviously follow my TikTok at Petite Beauty Blogger. I'm having some really good fun. And there you have it. There's the video completed. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.